Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook Mang Inasal Style Chicken using air fryer. First, let's prepare the marinade. We will need 2 cloves garlic, half a thumb-sized ginger, one stalk of lemongrass, one-fourth cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. We're going to marinate 2 chicken legs. Score the chicken legs so that the marinade can penetrate deeper. Put the chicken in a plastic bag and pour in the marinade. Seal the plastic bag and store in the fridge for 5 hours. We're using air fryer to cook our chicken. Put the chicken in the air fryer and set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer to 15 minutes. While waiting for the chicken to cook, we can start to make our annatto garlic oil. Let's start by making the annatto oil. Set the stove to low-medium setting and pour in the oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the achuete seeds. Reduce the heat to low and continue to stir until the color from the annatto seeds come out. Do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Separate the seeds from the oil using a strainer. We will use some of the oil for basting the chicken later. Let's continue to make the annatto garlic oil. In the same pan, pour in around 2 tablespoons of annatto oil. Then immediately add the minced garlic. Do not wait for the oil to get hot because hot oil will immediately burn the garlic. Stir continuously until the garlic becomes aromatic. This will take 1 to 2 minutes. Immediately remove from the heat to prevent the garlic from burning. After 15 minutes, the chicken is now cooked. Baste the chicken with annatto oil to achieve the glistening orange color. Cook for another 5 minutes. Here's our Mang Inasal Style Chicken cooked in air fryer. If you're craving for Mang Inasal Chicken, this recipe is a must to try. Enjoy!
Hi guys! Did you like this recipe? Let us know in the comment section below. Hit like if you enjoyed this video. This will help us know that you are enjoying our content. If you haven't subscribed yet, click subscribe button and make sure to click also the bell icon so you'll get notified once we release new videos. Until next time, this is Foodie Pinoy saying goodbye and it's a wrap!